Pakistan, a country with over 240 million people, rich in resources, strategic in location, and full of untapped potential. Yet, its economy remains one of the most fragile. 2025, Pakistan's economy is in recovery mode after years of instability. GDP growth is expected to hover around 2 to 3%, after contractions and stagnation in previous years. But challenges still persist. Major problems: high public debt, over 80% of GDP, currency depreciation. The rupee continues to struggle against the dollar, trade deficit. Imports outpace exports, energy crisis. Frequent power shortages and rising energy costs. Segment 2. IMF, reforms and external support. To avoid default and stabilize its finances, Pakistan entered a $7 billion IMF agreement. This came with tough but necessary reforms, including key reform measures: ending energy subsidies, broadening the tax base, controlling circular debt in power sector, improving fiscal transparency, cutting wasteful government spending.
Pakistan also secured support from the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, and Gulf allies, providing short-term relief and breathing room for structural improvements.
Segment 3. Sectors with growth potential. Despite the economic struggles, some sectors continue to shine and show promise for future growth. High potential sectors: textile and apparel, contributing over 60% of exports. IT and freelancing. Pakistan is now among the top 5 freelancing countries in the world. Agriculture employs over 35% of the workforce, but needs modernization. Construction and real estate, driven by urbanization and housing demand. Renewable energy, a growing focus in response to fuel shortages and climate change. With the right investments, training, and governance, these sectors could be the engine of a new economic era. Segment 4. The road ahead: challenges versus opportunity. Pakistan's economic journey is far from over. The country faces real challenges, but also real opportunities. What's needed going forward? Strong leadership and economic planning. Better trade deals and export strategies. Investment in education, skills, and entrepreneurship. Political stability and policy consistency. Sustainable development and climate resilience. Most importantly, the focus must shift from survival to long-term growth that benefits the common people, not just the elite.
Last call to action.
Pakistan's economy is at a crossroads. Will it continue to depend on bailouts and emergency loans, or can it finally build a self-reliant, inclusive economy for its people?
What's your take? Tell us in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edge of Reality, where we decode global issues and local impacts every week.